Hi everybody, this is Jason with Vegas Hardbags. I'm excited to bring you our brand new product this week, something that's been missing in the market, and that's what happens when something goes missing. I determined to figure out a solution to make my life easier during the installs, which will make your life easier. And what this is our 6-channel backbone harness. And the way this critter works is this piece, this main backbone trunk goes down, goes to each bag left and right side, and this goes up in the fairing, goes right down the backbone, okay? And that's gonna give me 3 pairs of speaker wires per bag. On the other end, I have this harness that plugs in right there. So the other harness ends up in the bag, this goes out of the bag, clicks in, I can unclick it for serviceability, and this gives me 3 pairs of speaker wires. It's also got this really cool locking pin on there, so once you plug it in, you can also push that red tab there. That locks it in for any accidental pulling apart. This is really cool because you go, well, why do I need 3 wires in a bag? I got a subwoofer, I got a mid-bass driver, I got a 6x9, I got a horn driver. There's a lot of different configurations. Instead of having multiple harnesses around the back, I can have one single harness. And even if I only need 1 channel per side, this gives me the flexibility later down the road to add additional items if I ever thought about upgrading, and then we're not taking that part of the bike again and only having 1 harness at the front. So go check it out, our website. You guys will be really super excited. This is a really cool piece. It's here to make your life easier, faster, and better.